Assistive touch. These three methods will be very important for you if you using an iPhone. Open the settings. Click on Accessibility. Click on Touch button. Then click on the Assistive Touch and press the next button on the right. You should now see a small circle on the screen. It has the ability to move around and you can see a few shortcuts when you have your touch on it. By using this you have the ability to protect your home button for a long time. Now we move on to the next process. Click on double tap. Choose any shortcut. Example Control Center. Now you can try to double tap Assistive Touch. Let's move on to the next feature. Click on long press. You can use this feature to get the screenshot very easily. Hold on the Assistive Touch button and you will get screenshot. We will be bringing you a new feature like this soon. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.